Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Ambrose with 3i Technologies. Today we're talking about something that's often overlooked in the mobile industry, and that is phone cases, phone and tablet cases, these guys. You and I may look for style or protection, but businesses have a completely different set of priorities. So let's talk about them. So why do these matter, right? Many organizations don't actually realize how device cases impact productivity, branding, and cost savings. Let's cover a few priorities, right? We've got stock availability. Businesses often purchase cases as an afterthought, so having products ready to ship is crucial. Then there's the cost effectiveness. Companies need durable cases without overspending. Going back to the stock availability, they're looking for bulk pricing and long-term ROI. Stuff that's in stock now, it's cost-effective. And then custom branding. Initially, we thought maybe 20% of our customers would want the custom branding, but it turns out nearly half of them want it now. So logo customizations turn devices into branded tools that enhance the company identity. Here's an example from Outer Factor. They have their Element line series, which is the mag series, but it has a custom branded logo. And this logo is not going to rub off. It's going to last for the life of the phone. You can also get creative with these QR codes. Maybe it's a workflow that an employee has to scan, or maybe the employee is customer facing and they're asking somebody to scan the barcode for a survey or a menu, whatever the case is. We can now get creative with these logos. Some additional key factors for businesses to consider: device protection and longevity needs to be considered. Businesses can't afford frequent device replacements. Some of these phones and tablets reach into $1,200, $1,500 a piece. Rugged cases reduce damage and downtime. Got a couple of examples here. We've got Outer Factor's Workforce line. This is a very durable rugged case. Still has spots open for the charging port and cameras, but it's got a lifetime warranty. It's very durable. You can drop this from far. We've also got some organizations like in public safety, they need an even more durable public safety or military. We've got this case from Juggernaut. These are heavy-duty cases with sealed ports that have to be unscrewed, or they're compatible with quick disconnect cables. These are very durable. These snap into like your MOLLE vest through a MOLLE clip. Juggernaut though, really great. Ergonomics and productivity, also you need to consider this. Cases with hand straps, shoulder straps, or mounting capabilities improve workflow efficiency. One example is this tablet case. This is from RamMount. This case wraps around the tablet. It connects directly into the USB-C port, and it converts that USB-C to pogo pins. So RamMount has a line called GDS technology where you can mount a dock inside of a vehicle, or maybe it's like a dash of a truck, or maybe a forklift. And then these cases all universally dock into that GDS line, providing a secure device mounted and also consistent power. And it can also pull data, so you can plug in peripherals like scanners or keyboards into the dock. So hand straps, shoulder straps, mounting capability, that's all with the RamMount line. Reducing drops and improving grip lowers accidental damage. There's lots of different accessories, attachments for these cases with the straps, shoulder straps or hand straps, or on the belt, or if it's on like a lanyard or other sort of piece of heavy equipment, just reducing the amount of times you can drop it is important. Then there's the compliance and industry-specific needs. So we've got healthcare. They want antimicrobial cases for hygiene-sensitive environments. Totally understandable. We've partnered with a company called Beam Mobile. Beam manufactures like the number one healthcare case out there. So this is for an iPhone. Let's say a shift worker nurse takes their phone, they're running their shift, and it starts to run out of battery. You can actually pop a spare battery in and out of the case. So they check a device out, they're running their shift, the battery starts to die, they just grab a battery from the bay, dock it into the back of the phone. Now it's charging the iPhone. This can also be wiped down with hospital-grade disinfectants too. So going back to the hygiene-sensitive environments, well, they could use their standard cleaning practices on this case. Pretty great. Beam Mobile. In warehousing, cases that integrate with barcode scanners. These are, you'll hear the term sleds. That allows you to dock maybe an Android or iPhone device into a case that then has a 2D laser barcode scanner attached to it. Pretty great. And then in public safety, we've got they need, mil spec or mil standard drop protection for rugged field use. Once again, we've got the Juggernaut case here. That's going to attach to their vest. Very durable. Even going back to outer factor, these also are very durable for in the field. Drop tested, mil spec rated. Great for that industry. Some organizations also have a priority for sustainability and eco-friendly options. They may have an ESG goal or practice, so they may be out there looking for biodegradable or recyclable materials. So those manufacturers are also out there. And then we've got warranty and support. So companies want reliability. Cases with warranties or replacement programs can add long-term value. So if you have a device that's getting deployed and then you have some cases that go with it, you may blend in a subscription to a warranty program, blend it in all in one cost. Customers really like that. Just one part number, one price, comes with like a 3 or 5 year warranty. I mean, devices are usually in these industries replaced every 3 to 5 years. So having a warranty program can be important for some organizations. All right. So moving on, the business case for investing in quality cases. So these are more of the higher end cases. You've got to come up with a good ROI. They want to reduce the total cost of ownership. So having a good case prevents costly device repairs or replacements. So when you're going back to like Beam Mobile, for example, this case is a premium. It's a premium case. It's going to be more expensive than a simple element case from Outer Factor. However, this is going to withstand all of the hospital-grade disinfectants. So you're not having to, if you're wiping down a phone with chemicals, it's just probably going to go bad, right? So having it wrapped in something like this, even though it's a premium, it's more cost-effective. There's also the employee satisfaction to consider. Providing a well-designed accessory ecosystem helps workers be more productive. They're not going to be frustrated with devices that don't work well or that maybe are performing up to spec. Cases that are lower quality, the device might break, so they're just going to get more frustrated. So with today's, workforce, you need to make sure that they're satisfied. And then there's the brand image and customer perception. Custom branded cases elevate professionalism, right? So if I'm on here, if I'm on my device, I'm a clinician or a nurse and I have this in my hand, myself as the patient is going to see that and they're going to know that it's a tool that's being used, not somebody's personal device. I hope this gives you a better understanding of what businesses consider in device cases when deploying large numbers of phones and tablets. I'd love to hear from you on what other companies have looked for in cases. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.